Hello everyone, today we are at Balewadi and this is the 2 BHK sample flat of ANP Atlantis, which is currently the best selling product of this location. The carpet size of this particular sample flat is 823 square feet and it's a very good, perfectly designed with zero wastage. As you can see, I'll explain you the configuration. So at the entrance you will get biometric lock system with video door phone and intercom facility. So this side is your living room. This side is TV unit. And this is your dining space. Living and dining is separate. It is an L-shaped living cum dining. This side will be your covered terrace, covered from top. No odd even concept in this project, which means privacy is well maintained by the builder. Toughened glass. Exactly opposite will be your kitchen with L-shaped platform, granite platform. This side is dry balcony. This will be again covered from top. So it is a spacious one. You can construct a storage space also in this area because it is covered. This will be your refrigerator point. Now going ahead, this is your common washroom. Fittings, tile selection, the color selection, these all are same as it is. This will be provided. This side is your children bedroom and see how spacious it is. French style window with a good height. And this side is your master bedroom, spacious master bedroom. With attached toilet. And here we are providing you glass partition in your shower area with shower panel provided. So these two washrooms will have solar water heater connection and the entire flat will have backup. Two light points will have backup in each room. So no need to put a inverter in your flat. So these basic things has been provided by the builder. So this project is at Balewadi. It is in a very promising location. The total land parcel is 5 acres having 6 towers and we are up with a new tower. So for this we are again doing marketing of this project. So we are having some good offers, good bank schemes for the particular tower. So please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. You can call us, WhatsApp us, and please like this video, share to your friends and relatives, and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses, and stay in touch with us. we will update you the further progress. Thank you so much for watching this video.